ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, this is your hot, happy honey. I am here today to show you what you can do with your old, rusted out cast iron skillet. I have had this skillet for, maybe 16 years, maybe, no, 14 years, but before then, I got it from my aunt, which she got it from her mother-in-law that had it for probably 20 years. So I love this skillet. It cooks the best fried chicken. You know how we like our chicken. Millie don't burn no chicken. Anyway, so in order to keep this pot going, when it get rusty, you don't throw this away. What you do is you get you sandpaper or a sand block, Brillo pad, and an old towel. First, you're gonna have it clean and dried. After that, you're gonna scrub. I already pre-scrubbed, so I'm not gonna do this for a long time. You're gonna scrub all around the pot. Sides and bottom. You don't have to worry about the outside of the pot. So we're gonna get this smooth as we can. Give it some tender loving care. After that, you're gonna take your Brillo pad just to get a smoother surface and do the same thing. So you're gonna see some dust. But you just wanna give it a smooth sweep all the way around. And the sides, the bottom. Get it good so you can have a smooth surface. All the way around. See that? It should be smooth, almost like a baby's butt. Okay. After that, you can toss that away, and then you take your old towel and go to the sink. You rinse that out real good. Clean it with a little soap detergent. And you can see it's almost looking like new again, just from having water on it. But you're going to rinse out really well. One more time. And like I said, you don't have to worry about the bottom of the pan. You're just going to rinse it anyway. That new suds was on it. When you talking about restoration, watch what happens. So you're going to take it back. You're going to take some paper towel. Dry it off really well. Oh, one more thing. You have to preheat your oven to the highest setting. So usually the highest setting is 500 degrees or Fahrenheit. I'm not sure how much it is Celsius. So after you get it good and dry, see that? How it's looking back bad. But after you get it good and dry, let it dry real good. Look at that. You're gonna take you a little cooking oil. Doesn't matter what kind. But a little vegetable oil, cooking oil, or anything you have. You might not want to do your olive oils and all that stuff, but you're going to put a little oil in there, just like that. You're going to swish it around. And this is where the magic happens. You want to do just enough everywhere so that it could be coated really well. But you don't want too much at the end, because if you have too much, you'll have little spots that's not coated. So you want to do a nice reasonable amount, and you want to soak some of that up. You don't want it to be moving all over the place. You know how oil goes. So when you get it all done, it should look like that. And you see no rust and stuff is on there, so you're not cooking nothing in there, okay? After that, you want to take it to your oven that's preheated to 500. Put it in and close it. This is going to heat up for about maybe 30 to 40 minutes. And then I'll show you what happens next. The area. Okay. So now we're just gonna, you ready? Now we're just gonna check on it. Ooh. So you see here, you got a little oil right in the middle. So you gotta just take that and kind of swoosh it around. You don't want too much, but and be careful. Stay high. Swoosh that around. Put it back in. You can see on the sides it's kind of dried up. That's going to give you like a little coating. You didn't get that. Okay. So after checking, you just don't want a lot of oil in there, which it wasn't. So I swished it around, and that's going to just give it a better coat. The sides are already coated, so that's a good thing. It's starting to get really hot where it's almost gonna burn off that oil. And that's what you want, but you don't want it crispy burnt, okay? So you want to check it from time to time. So now I'm gonna just wait a little while longer and my pan should be ready.